Hey yo guys, MinerJP here, and today we're back for another video. And today I'm gonna do a Rubik's Cube with one hand, or OH as most cubers says it. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so we have a scrambled cube now, and yeah, let me grab a watch to time myself on it. So let me inspect first. Alright, ready, set, go. Okay, so that was quite tiring. So here's my time. If you guys, oh, yep. So yeah, that's my time right here, and 2 minutes and 44 seconds and 60 milliseconds. So yeah, that was me solving a Rubik's Cube with one hand. I hope you guys liked it. When I improve, I'll maybe make another video, me OHing a Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And if you like this video, please like. If you like the videos that I produce, please subscribe. So yeah, this is MinerJP. Peace out.